Hi, I'm Stacy from the Blue Keystone, and this is my daughter. And today I'm going to show you some five really quick ways that you can do something cute with the hair, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first hairstyle, we're going to we're going to split the hair in half like you were going to do a ponytail. I really like this pointy end. I think that it gets it straighter, and with this there'll be so much going on. If it's not terribly straight, it's alright. I start in the middle here, and I go put my hand where her ear is, and then I try and go right straight to the ear, and this separates the hair out, so you should have a nice straight-ish line. You're just going to put all four of these into ponytails. So we'll have 4 little ponytails. Then I'm going to take each one of these and I'm just going to twist it. Real tight, real quick. Just a twist, not a braid. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm going to clip that one on this side. You need 3 clips for this. This kind of is the tricky part. You want to kind of pinch it before you let it go, and you want to do it kind of in reverse order. If it's not exactly that way, it's okay. You can kind of just grip it all. So I got all 4 of the strands in, and then I'm going to secure it with the ponytail nice and tight. This will stay in all day long. In fact, she slept on it once, and in the morning it was still in. So this is a good hairdo for all day. Now you can pull it all the way through, or you can kind of messy bun it. I like to pull this all the way through and create a ponytail, and then for the messy bun part, I like to just put this in and kind of wrap all those ends in and around and pull a little bit here or there. And there is a cute little hairstyle here, but it's gonna stay in her hair. It's not gonna fall out, and she has something cute for school, and it took us just at 5 minutes. Okay, so for the next one, this is gonna be a half up style, so we're gonna take just the hair on top of the head. I'm gonna put a side part over there, and then a side part here. And just to make it easy, and so I don't get those in, I'm gonna clip that stuff back there. I'm gonna take this, and again, a part in the back. And this time I'm gonna start at her part over here and go diagonal across her head. That way. You want a decent amount of hair in that. You can see, can you tilt your head a little bit towards the camera? There's that part. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide it into thirds. So this piece, and you want these lines to be pretty straight because they'll be seen. And take this and put it in a little ponytail. And then we're going to divide this last one into thirds too. You may want to leave just a little bit extra in the middle one, because we're going to braid it. Okay, and then you put the little flower in, and you did something other than just half up, half down. Cute little braid in there, and a fun hairstyle. Say for this one, make sure that this braid is real. You pull it up closer to that part and braid it really tight so you can see the braid. Okay, so for this next style, I'm going to part it really close to the top. She has these little wispy bangs that we're trying to grow out. The next one, I'm gonna do from her ear. So kind of just basically the hair from her ear and on top of her head here. Okay, and you do not want this front one in it, so I'm gonna flop that down there. Okay, so I'm going to split this top one here, and I'm going to pull this one up and over, and I'm going to clip it out of the way, and then I'm going to part for maybe half of her hair. And I'm just going to take this one. You can do this all the way down if you want to. I'm just going to stop it here for a different look. You can do it all the way down. Just keep looping it through and around. But I'm going to stop mine here. And I'm going to pull this through. See her bangs sticking out there. That'll go away. I'm going to put a hair tie here. Then I go back to the top, and what you do is you pinch it and you slowly let some go, and then you kind of hold the ends out for a little bit longer. Do it on the other side. I'm pinching, holding it, and letting some go. And pulling just a couple strands a little bit longer than the other ones. And then you do that here. Well, I should do it on the other side first so you can see it. Pull it. I don't know if you can tell, but I am slowly letting some go and pulling some longer. And here, do the same thing. And there you go. Cute little style, bubble style, all the way around. Something different, something fun. It stays in their hair. There's so many ties in there, and then they can play and have a good time. Okay, so this one's a half up, and it's a loose style. And I'm not even gonna make sure my parts are straight. I'm just going to make half up, but I'm gonna divide the half up into 3 sections here. So as you can see, I'm just using my fingers. No part per se, exact part. Okay, now this first one here, you want it to be just a little bit tight. Just part the hair and pull it through. The next one I'm going to put in a tie. Again, this is going to be loose, so it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, you want it to be a little bit loose. Well, actually a lot loose because it's got to go down and sit by that one. So this is going to go there. I'm going to pull it loose a little bit. I'm going to put it through the hole that we had down here. So I'm going to pull that through the hole. Maybe. There we go. Pull that up tight. Make this looser so it sits together. This one, I'm going to do it. I'm going to tie it in her hair all the way back here on kind of on top of that other one. That way you don't have to loosen the hair so much. Keep here. And then I'm going to part the hair here. I'm going to loop it through the topsy-turvy again. I'm going to put it through all of these holes. This is kind of the hardest part. Put it down through the bottom there, and then there we have something fun and cute, and it only took 3 minutes. So this one came in under the 5-minute time, and if you pulled with the hair and did all this, then you could make it looser or tight as you wanted it. If you like the real slick look, you can wet it and spray it, but this is just something different and fun, and it'll stay in your hair. So for this one, we're going to do a ponytail look. You do want a nice straight part for this. It will be seen, so oops, sorry, I just poked you in the eye. It helps if I just pull this excess hair back, and then I don't get it in these up here. So we're going to divide these into thirds. I'm just going to comb them into the ponytail. If you wanted to, you could braid them and then put them in the ponytail. It just depends on how much time you want it to take. I'm going to take this. The fine tooth comb will help you smooth out those bumps, but she has a little bit of curl left in her hair from when we twisted it yesterday, and extremely flat, but it will be extremely cute. Like that. Okay? And put your little bow in, and voila. Super cute. Not just a ponytail. Red, white, and blue match your outfit today. So I hope you enjoyed our version of some quick ways to do hair in the morning and do something fun. Let us know how you like them. Bye-bye.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to thank my mom after this video for leaving in this one so I can wear it